Make your point on the News Hour. Join Arnab every night on the News Hour with your question. Ask your question and join the debate.
Well, a day after Times Now revealed how a former UPA minister backed Zakir Naik by writing to the INB minister, Times Now has now accessed the complete letter trail, which shows that the then UPA minister's unprecedented intervention. Now, the UPA minister had urged the INB ministry to seek details on allegations made by a particular channel against Zakir Naik. This even as the INB ministry had named Zakir Naik's Peace Television as an illegal channel. Aditi is reporting on this. Aditi, break down what really happened back then on this, because you know the Congress party came out and said that in 2013 we did put a ban on the channel and we were proactive, but the letter trail that we have got clearly shows that that was not the case.
In fact, Nupur, if we go back in 2012, this is an unstarred question that was raised in the Lok Sabha of the Parliament, asking if there are any illegal or unauthorized television channels that are being operated by cable operators in India. Interestingly, in a reply to this particular question, the government of India, the then INB ministry, had released a list of 24 channels, in which, if I can just ask my camera person to zoom in, on number 2 is Peace TV, which is a channel based out of Dubai and run by Zakir Naik. Now, this happened in the year 2012. Now, in the year 2013, Minority Affairs Minister Rahman Khan had written to the INB ministry saying that there is an attempt to defame Dr. Zakir Naik, a renowned Indian Islamic scholar and president of the Islamic Research Foundation, Mumbai. Now, this letter was sent to the INB ministry and had also categorically mentioned a private news channel saying that they were trying to defame Zakir Naik. Now, post this letter, on the 5th of July, the INB ministry had sent a notice to this particular channel in which they have said it is requested to provide comments on the above complaint against the program telecasted by this particular channel, which is allegedly defaming Dr. Zakir Naik. Now, when this channel did not send a response for almost a month, in August 10th, again a letter was sent in which the INB ministry has categorically said strict action will be taken against this particular channel if within 10 days, failing which action is deemed fit, will be taken without any further notice to you. Now, Nupur, this comes in complete contrast to what the Congress party has been claiming all this while. The Congress party is questioning the NDA government and the present BJP government as to why no action was taken in the past. But the bigger question here is, Nupur, when in 2012 the government of India itself has said that Peace TV is an illegal and unauthorized channel and it will not be allowed to be broadcasted in India, then why in the year 2013 did the Minority Affairs Minister Rahman Khan even approach the INB ministry regarding defaming of a radical cleric Zakir Naik, and B, why did the INB ministry take the move on the request of Rahman Khan and even send a show cause notice to that particular private channel saying action will be taken against them if they do not come out with a clarification of defaming Dr. Zakir Naik? So clearly, Nupur, at this point in time, the political controversy around Zakir Naik is just increasing.